Ready to race, race number 12. Penultimate race. Here's Santa Ana Fort, the home of Sports of Kings. Where racing is always at its best. And the race is on. Racing from the outside is the favorite. Chip Johnson, Purple Ribbon is running by the Taxi is racing in third. Chip Johnson by about 3 lengths, followed by Purple Ribbon in second. Taxi and racing in fourth by Dral Michika. Hot second last Gastambide is running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, the outstanding favorite, Chip Johnson. By about 5 lengths, Purple Ribbon is running in second. And rounding the far turn, Chip Johnson is still leading by about 4 lengths. And closing in second now is Purple Ribbon, Michika. Taxi. And by Darrell rushing up is Hot. As they race the final corner, Chip Johnson by only 2 lengths. Purple Ribbon down on the inside, but Chip Johnson by about 2 lengths. Purple Ribbon down on the inside, Michika, and nearing the finish line. It's a scintillating run coming from the outstanding favorite, Chip Johnson. Purple Ribbon, Michika, Taxi, Hot Gastambide.